I'm Tommy Gay, Safety Director for Southern Air, and welcome to Southern Air's new hire orientation and safety course. As you begin a new career with our company, you will find that all things start with safety. It's not only our first core value, but our way of life. This course will set you up for success. We'll give you important key terms and concepts and provide an overview of the policies we've put into place to keep you safe on the job. You will learn about our procedures in short modules and take quizzes before moving on to the next lesson. At the end of the new hire orientation and safety course, there will be a comprehensive test to make sure you understand our programs. Safety shall be the first consideration for any task at Southern Air. Our team members are our greatest asset, and nothing is more important than your health and well-being. Our policies and guidelines exist to keep you safe at work so you can go home each night to your family. Good luck and welcome to Southern Air. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is a must when working in our industry, and we offer each team member exactly what they need. Southern Air provides you with PPE, which includes gloves, hard hat, high-vis vest, hearing protection, safety glasses, and face shields. Rings and other jewelry can get caught in moving machinery or ladders and need to be removed while at work. Our 100% glove, safety glasses, and hard hat policy at construction sites means you must have these items on anytime you're outside your vehicle. Even when you're walking through an active part of a job site and not necessarily engaged in a task, these items need to be on. Your clothing must include long pants, safety-toed shoes, and shirts with at least 4-inch sleeves. Clothing that is baggy, torn, or which could be considered offensive cannot be worn on the job site. When it comes to your eye protection, you are not authorized to simply wear your prescription glasses with side shields. Not only do we offer over-the-top safety glasses, but Southern Air contributes $100 towards the purchase of new frames and lenses once every 2 years, as long as they are ANSI Z87 approved. Safety glasses alone are not always enough. When performing grinding, overhead drilling, or cutting, a Vader mask or face shield must be worn. This equipment is provided to prevent you from painful and possibly crippling injuries and is required to be worn at all times. Making the choice not to wear your PPE while on the clock for Southern Air will result in disciplinary action and could lead to your termination. It's that serious. A confined space is an area large enough to bodily enter, not designed for continuous human occupancy, and limited means of entry and egress. Confined space consists of, but is not limited to, ventilation or exhaust ducts, sewers, manholes, tunnels, pipelines, storage tanks, bins, boilers, elevator shafts, and underground utility vaults. Do not enter these until you have been trained and qualified for these situations and the Southern Air confined space procedures are in place. Southern Air is a drug-free workplace. We have a long-standing commitment to provide a safe, quality-oriented, and productive work environment. Drug and alcohol use is unacceptable in an industry like ours where peak performance and awareness are always necessary. As a Southern Air employee, you are prohibited from the sale, usage, possession, or distribution of drugs and alcohol. We drug test on your hire date, randomly, and after on-the-job incidents. Our goal is to maintain a safe workplace with a healthy and efficient workforce free from the effects of drugs or alcohol. Southern Air offers team members assistance in obtaining early, voluntary treatment from the Employee Assistance Program through various counseling groups. We take no disciplinary action against those who voluntarily seek such assistance and participate in EAP's rehabilitation programs. Employees may seek help without the knowledge or approval of any Southern Air personnel. Your new hire employee handbook offers numbers of EAP counselors who can help in multiple cities throughout the states in which we work. Sexual harassment is any unwelcome behavior, inappropriate remarks, or physical advances. Southern Air has a zero-tolerance policy for sexual harassment. It is not only prohibited by our company policy, but by both state and federal law. Every Southern Air team member share the responsibility for ensuring the workplace remains free from all forms of sexual harassment. We all have to stop disrespectful behavior when we see it. There is no place for shortcuts at construction sites. Shortcuts cut life short. A clean job site is a safe and productive job site. Housekeeping, safety, and efficiency go together. Always keep your work area neat and clean to avoid unnecessary tripping hazards and ease of locating tools and materials. Horseplay and practical jokes can be dangerous and are not permitted on Southern Air job sites. Running is also dangerous and has no place on a construction site. Electric and battery-powered tools must be approved, double insulated, or grounded. Ground fault circuit interrupters must be used when plugging anything into an electrical outlet. Before changing drill bits, blades, grinding wheels, or attempting to repair a tool, you must disconnect it from its power source, whether it's unplugging it or removing the battery. You must be trained and certified by Southern Air Safety Team to use powder-actuated tools, which is offered in a separate class. Talk to your supervisor about additional training, classes, and certifications available to you at Southern Air.